So after 1 year in the business, you've been awarded Guillermo Foundation Memorial Award. You've been awarded, a lot of youth specific awards. Ang dami-dami na. Tapos meron ka pang pending nominations sa Awit Awards. Tapos you even won a lot of, PEP awards, mga popularity awards. Then, yung dream mong world tour nagaganap na, ano pa ang hihilingin ng isang Darren Espanto?
Right now po, I'm very happy with what's happening for me right now. And I'm just very focused po on what I'm doing right now. Yung career ko po and my singing, of course. So, siguro po wala naman na ako akong mahihiling pa. Yun.
Thank you po.
One more question. Okay. Hi, Darren. How about your studies?
Right now po, I'm homeschooled sa Eton International School po sa Manila. Pero, I'm still continuing my studies. And I actually graduated grade 8 po. And now I'm in grade 9. So yun po, pinagpapatuloy ko pa rin po yun. And my teachers are cooperative din po sila sa schedule ko po. So, yun. It makes it easier to learn po. Yun.
So they adjust on your schedule?
Opo, they're very flexible naman po. Yeah. Thank you po.
This question is for the managers of Darren. Sir Sammy, pwedeng magtanong sa inyo. Okay, this wouldn't have been possible without the guidance and expertise of MCA Universal, right? Where do you see Darren 5 years from now, from the point of view po ng management ng MCA? Dito na lang po para naka-live stream. Okay lang. Para malaman ng fans what's next for Darren. Ito si Sir Sammy Samaniego of MCA Universal.
Thank you po. Una po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa Kabalen. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta kay Darren. To answer the question po, 5 years from now, we've been planning so much for Darren. We've had a lot of pegs from Gary Valenciano to Justin Bieber. We're focused on his music career right now. 5 years from now, we're seeing a lot more of successful albums, a lot of concerts here and abroad. And hopefully po, a movie career would be something that we could explore 5 years from now. So yun po, yun yung mga plano natin for Darren. And sa ngayon po, nakafocus kami doon sa kanyang singing, sa kanyang concerts, and of course yung album. We'll be releasing his all-original album by next year. So that's one big step for him po. And hopefully we'll be getting some new original compositions as well from Darren. Not only singing cover songs or original compositions from other composers, but having Darren compose his own song as well. So we're geared towards that po. And we know for a fact that Darren has been learning to play some instruments. Probably that's something that we could also explore in the next few years. So we'll be seeing Darren as a full-blown musician, artist, songwriter as well.
Huwag muna po kami kayong tumayo, may tanong pa po. For the background ng mga Darrenatics, yung MCA Universal is one of the biggest talent management companies in the whole world. Yung nire-represent ni Sir Sammy, yung Philippine headquarter ng MCA Universal. Right? And as such, governing kayo ng MCA Universal sa US. Ganon, governed din. Ang tanong po susunod yung ano po ang nakita o na accomplishment ni Darren na hindi pa nagawa ng ibang MCA Universal Philippines? Palagay niyo lang.
Ano po ang
Yung nagawa niya na-deliver niya na among the artists ng MCA Universal Philippines, ang hindi pa nagawa ng ibang artist ninyo before? Aside from his age, di ba?
I don't know.
Actually po, to be quite honest about that, no, hindi namin kino-compare actually kung ano man yung aming ginagawa for the other artists, no. Darren and the family knows for a fact na we have other artists po na minamanage, no. So whatever accomplishment we've had for Darren, it's all it's all teamwork, hard work, and of course, yung pasasalamat po namin sa mga supporters, no? As I've been telling everyone, ano man pong gawin naming effort or exert na effort ng any management for any artist, kung hindi po natin makukuha yung support ng katulad ng ibinibigay nyo, ay wala rin po tayong ma-accomplish o mahihirapan po tayong i-accomplish yan. So, we're also giving the credit and sharing the credit and all the accomplishments of Darren sa inyo pong lahat, sa inyong mga sumusuporta po sa kanya. So, ang hirap pong sagutin kung ano yung na-accomplish namin na hindi na-accomplish ng ibang artist, no? But I think yung suporta pong ibinibigay nyo kay Darren ang isa sa pinakamahalaga na naging accomplishment po namin at ng samahan po ng MCA Music at ni Darren Espanto.
I believe one of the strengths of Darren Espanto is the Darrenatics na global. And I would like to invite in front yung head ng US Darrenatics, si Franz from San Diego. Come on over, may question sa'yo. Come on, live stream ka ng ano. Si Kuya Franz, isa sa mga pillars ng Darrenatics. Can you please tell the story of how Darrenatics came about? Saan nagsimula ang Darrenatics?
Actually, nag-start ang Darrenatics from worldwide, from Jeff Torres, with Ian, with core admins and everybody. We support in everything like Darrenatics voting team, always support for all those votings that we do, like mix. We always, we have those records for him. We make sure that everything is all accomplished. We always do that. And also, we also make sure that Darren is always, all the fans like Team Verde is always support, like almost shows and everything. So they're always there, like Ati Bobby. Yeah, she's always there to support, like Team Baliwag that's on the airports and stuff like that. They're always there to support Darren. And we're always going to be there, no matter what country it is. And we will make sure that no matter what we do, we represent you.
Thank you po. Grabe.
So, ilang Darrenatics countries na meron ng... We have... Sino nagbibilang? Si Jeff?
Si Jeff ang nagbibilang. Actually, we have Italy, Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia. We have actually Darrenatics in Japan, Darrenatics in Macau. Nasaan pa ba?
Malaysia.
Buong Philippines, Malaysia. They have in Brunei. Actually, there's Cambodia now. And what else? We have also UAE and United Arab Emirates that we're gonna go for Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and also the one that big right now is there's a new one that's Russia is building Darrenatics also.
Wow. Wow.
So you have Canada as well. So
Along with popularity comes the trade-offs, right? There were incidents before na pinagkakaguluhan si Darren. Diba? Yung napilayan ka ba nun? Can you, kwento mo lang sa amin, anong feeling mong naipit at napilayan?
Ano po, sa akin naman po, I understand the crowd kasi they're happy po. And I was also excited to see all of them. And I guess the problem was security. Yun po, nakulangan lang sila. So, yun po.